Welcome back to Quiz RAD. Think fast, stay sharp, and try to solve all 50 mind-twisting riddles before the timer runs out. So, are you ready to prove your genius level? Let's dive in. I don't cry when you cut me, but you do. What am I? An onion. Slice it and you're the one crying. I have no life, but I can die. What am I? A battery. It has no heartbeat, but it still dies. I am a bird. I am a fruit, and I am a person. What am I? That's correct. It's a kiwi. What letter comes at the end of the alphabet? The letter T. I run, but I never walk. What am I? A river. It's always running but never taking a step. Mary's mom has 4 kids: April, May, June, and... Yes, the 4th child's name is Mary. What has to be broken before you can use it? An egg. You've got to crack it to get the good stuff. I'm not alive, but I can grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. What am I? A fire. It breathes air, but it's not alive. I have a head, but I have no brain. What am I? A coin. Their coins have a head side, but no brains involved. Find the odd one out. Awesome! I have cities, but no houses. I have mountains, but no trees. I have water, but no fish. What am I? A map. If you drop me, I'm sure to crack. But give me a smile and I'll always smile back. What am I? I have a mirror. Drop it and it shatters. But smile and it smiles right back. What starts with E, ends with E, but only has 1 letter in it? An envelope. It begins and ends with E, and it holds 1 letter inside. I am full of teeth, but I never bite. What am I? I have a comb. It's got a whole row of teeth, but it'll never bite you. Kirsten has 5 daughters, and they each have a brother. How many children does she have? Six. One brother is shared by all 5 girls. How do you spell cow in 13 letters? C-O-W. Say my name and I disappear. What am I? Silence. The moment you say it, it's gone. You can catch me, but you can't throw me. What am I? A cold. You can catch one, but good luck tossing it away. Why did the math book look so sad? Because it had too many problems. Can you guess the sport by the emoji? Pickleball. What gets bigger the more you take away? A hole. The more you dig, the bigger it gets. I sound like one letter, but I'm written with 3. I show you things when you look through me. What am I? I. It sounds like I. I start off green, then I turn yellow. I'm full of juice, and it tastes so mellow. What am I? A mango. What has 88 keys but cannot open a single door? A piano. So many keys, but not one unlocks anything. Which letter is always in the middle of the earth? The letter R. I become smaller every time I take a bath. What am I? A bar of soap. The more it cleans, the less of it there is. What kind of table can you eat at? A vegetable. I'm always running, but I never move. What am I? Our time, it's ticking by but going nowhere. Where does today come before yesterday? In the dictionary, the alphabet beats time here. Find the difference in the picture? The gummy bear among all the fruits. Has many rings but no fingers. A phone. All rings, no hands needed. What can you break without touching it? A promise. I sometimes run, but I can't walk. What am I? A nose. When it runs, you'll know it. What rooms have no doors or windows? Mushrooms. Nature's room with no entry. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? Footsteps. The more steps you take, the more footprints you leave behind. The more you share with me, the less you have. What am I? A secret. Tell it once and it's gone. What goes up when the rain comes down? An umbrella. An umbrella, up it goes to keep you dry. I am full of hands, but I cannot clap. What am I? Yes, clocks have hands to show the time. What is at the end of a rainbow? The letter W. Not gold, just a letter. Find the odd one out. Great! How many months have 28 days? All of them. Every month has at least 28 days. There was a girl half my age when I was 10. Now I am 50. How old is she? The answer is 45. Always 5 years younger. What has no beginning, middle, or end? Of a circle because it just keeps going around and around. I'm an insect, and the first part of my name is the name of another insect. The answer is beetle. The word starts with B, which is also an insect on its own. I fly forever, but I never rest. What am I? The wind. Always moving, never stopping. What can go through glass without breaking it? The answer is light. It's a smooth pass, but no cracks. What water can you eat and chew? Watermelon. It's got water in the name, but you definitely don't drink it. You bite it. What time of day is spelled the same forwards and backwards? Noon, N-O-O-N. It's the same both ways. I am something that no man ever did see. I never was, but I am always to be. What am I? The answer is tomorrow. Who has married many women but was never married? The answer is a priest. He performs the weddings but never has one himself. Wow, you made it through all 50 riddles. So, how many did you solve without peeking at the answers? Tell us your score in the comments and challenge your friends to beat it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more genius-level quizzes from QuizRAD. See you in the next challenge. Stay sharp, genius!